welcome back to my channel. Today we're here in beautiful Bel Air and it is a really cold day. I am freezing. Jason's even cold. Jason, how cold are you?
Freezing.
Yeah, we are freezing, but we're here and we're gonna do the video anyways because we love you. So we're here at this beautiful home. It's 1218 Roberto Ln in Bel Air. It's 6 bedroom, 7 bath, 22,000 square foot lot. And the reason why I say that is because oftentimes when we're in Beverly Hills and Hollywood Hills, the lot size is a lot smaller. And so this is a pretty big lot. We have, it's listed for $12,450,000. And let's go take a look. Right this way. All right, so this entrance is so beautiful. It has really beautiful lighting in here. You're getting a lot of natural light. And if you make a right, we will go into the living room. And all the doors go into the walls, which I love about all these really contemporary homes. And it's nice because you have like the street view, so if you have like friends coming, you know, it's very clear to see who's here. And obviously look at the view that you're getting out here. Very beautiful. So you're getting downtown views, which is great because you're getting all the sun during the day. It's gonna be right above you. You have a nice infinity pool that goes over for the view and a great view of the home. And so let's go this way. All right, so right this way. And this is to the dining room. And off to this side is the kitchen. You have also, this is like really great because it's like a pantry and you're gonna have a lot of room for wine storage. Really pretty pantries, they're push open. Put a lot of cereal in there. And of course, always a beautiful kitchen. And all these refrigerators are all like custom built in, so it just like goes flush with, you know, all the cabinets. And this for the water. And these cabinets are really pretty. I like this gold detail that they put here.
Yeah.
It's very nice, well done. And then of course like a little sitting TV room, which is a very casual place. Because I often find, you know, like in these really large homes, you need these little like nooks that you're actually like spending time in, you know, like it's like a little warm area. And again, you have views of the pool on this side. You have a little, you can put like a little outdoor table and have really great dining. And duh, you need a barbecue grill, right?
Of course.
Viking, of course, only the best for you. Don't turn on the barbecue with the box inside though, because you will cause a fire, and I hope you have some insurance. And then off to this side, it's just like a little wet bar, just like a little refrigerator. You can keep like cold drinks in here, a little ice, you know, but it's just, you know, you have really beautiful views up here. And it's, I don't know, I think Bel Air is more cool than Hollywood Hills sometimes, because like Hollywood Hills, you get a lot of partiers, and I feel like Bel Air is more, a little bit more calm. So there is one bedroom downstairs, but it's next to the laundry room, so a lot of people like to use that as like the staff bedroom. But you can always put your guess that you don't like it there.
Oh, no.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Well, for right now, for staging purposes, they're using it as an office, which is also a great alternative. It has a really small closet. This is not the closet for me, but I guess a closet for an office, a staff, or like a guest that's not staying too long.
That's not much of a small closet. That's pretty big.
Oh my God, Jason. No. And then here's restroom.
Look at this.
Yeah, nice and furry. And we have off to this bedroom, there is a laundry room. And do you know what this is for?
You're not taking a shower here, so I don't know.
Dog. You can bathe your dog there.
Oh wow.
Yeah. It's like for me, I have a white dog, my little Zozo, and as you guys know her from my Instagram. So Zozo, she goes to the groomer every 2 weeks, but in between, I actually bathe her at home because she's white. And so I have to wash her every like 4 or 5 days, or she gets like really dirty, you know, because I take her to the park and stuff. So here you go. You can build a little gym here. And then you have like a full-on garage. 3 cars for sure. All right, so we're gonna just, we're gonna head up to the top floor, which is where all the bedrooms are. I mean, what do you think about this house, Jason?
The view is the best part.
The view is good, right?
Yeah.
I like the view. And I think, yeah, I do think Bel Air is more sophisticated than Hollywood Hills, for sure.
More luxury.
Yeah. But you know, Hollywood Hills, like everyone likes to live there, like all the younger guys that made all their money, like they want to live in Hollywood Hills because it's near all the parties and the restaurants. So, you know, I definitely get, you know, why they choose that. So we're gonna go to this side, which is like, so you have a little sitting area, beautiful, really well done. Here we have another, this one, you can't count it as a bedroom because it doesn't have a closet, and that's what defines a bedroom. But anyways, beautiful outdoor area. And you can play a little tic-tac-toe. All right, let's play.
Oh.
You want to be skull or you want to be X?
I want to be the skull.
Okay, I'll be X. Go. What? Okay.
Okay.
No, you're skull.
Block me.
Okay.
Okay.
You lost.
What do I do? What do I do?
You lost.
Oh, dang it.
Go.
No.
You lost.
Dang it.
I'm the master at tic-tac-toe. I'm gonna win the championship, and Jason, you just lost. Here's the thing. Like when you come out here and you see these homes that are under construction, a lot of people get really turned off by it. They're like, oh, I don't want to live next to a construction site. It's so noisy and it's so this and it's so that. But let me tell you why it's a good idea to buy property next to homes like that. Because at one point, they're gonna be done building, and it's probably gonna be done building in the next 6 months. So I sold a house to a client, and their backyard, they were building a new house, and I told them, don't worry about it, because you know, when the home is done building, you're gonna have a view of a really beautiful home. And if you plan to live in the house for like 5 years, yeah, you know, maybe like 5-6 months of it you're gonna have a lot of construction, but at one point they are gonna be done. Like right now, today is a Sunday, and there's not, you know, a lot of noise going on. It's pretty quiet. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the rest of the guest rooms or bedrooms, depending what kind of homeowner you are. So I just wanted to ask you guys, are you guys like enjoying these home tours? I mean, what could we be doing better, or like what could we eliminate? I don't know. You tell us in the comments down below. Jason and I both read them, so you know we're listening. And so here you go. And this is a great room if you have twins. And I'm just kidding. I mean, you can put whatever furniture you want in here, but
It's cute.
yeah, it's very cute, right? And restroom in here. So in each of the restrooms, I noticed that each of the, around the frame of the mirror, they're all different.
Oh, the design
Yeah,
is
they're
different?
all different in each
Yeah, that's true. And there's windows.
Oh, skylight,
Yeah.
beautiful. I like a little skylight in the bathroom, and you know, that's really important for a girl because like I've talked about it in videos before, but when girls are putting on their makeup, it's nice to have a little natural light because you want to see what your makeup looks like in natural light. Closet. All right, and let's go take a look over here. God, it is really cold, you guys. Like, hands frozen, really.
I'm shivering.
Yeah, like we're so cold. But I'm so determined to do this video for you guys, so I don't care if I'm cold. I'm gonna keep going. And you know, one more bedroom, restroom. See the restroom?
Oh
Look
my.
at the frame. It's around the mirror. It's different. They bought different mirrors for each bathroom. I think that was kind of cute, no?
It's detailed.
Yeah.
I like it.
Oh, this room has beautiful views.
I want to live here, right
okay,
here.
this is your room, Jason.
Yes.
Yeah, it is a really beautiful house.
Oh my god.
I love it. I'm digging it. Again, restroom. Another mirror. It is different.
Yep, circular.
Yeah, for sure. Closet. And of course, the finale. We're gonna go look at the master bedroom. The master bedroom is really beautiful and I super love it, and I hope you guys like it too. And off to the master bedroom. So you have this nice little walkway, beautiful view. And oh, I love these doors. Let me show you the doors. And then voila. Enter this way. You have this beautiful bedroom with amazing views. Now, who can imagine living here? Give me a thumbs up if you could imagine yourself living here. And a nice little sitting area where you can have a little glass of wine. Storage. This is a little fridge. Fireplace. And again, amazing views. And okay, so I'm gonna take you guys to the closet and then we're gonna go check out the bathroom. So this is the dressing room, and you might think like, where are all of the bars and whatever, and they purposely left this room empty so you can make it however you like. You know, if you have a lot of shoes and you can put more shoe, you know, storage. When you have more coats or more pants or whatever. And so that's why this room is empty. And then off to this way, we have the master bath. Dual sinks, separate. And I really like this because, you know, everyone gets their own space. Beautiful bath. This shower is amazing. Dual showers, skylight.
Wow.
Yeah, this is a nice shower. Okay guys, so what did you think about the home tour? I just want to thank everyone for watching our video today. So this home is for sale for $12,450,000. We are looking for buyers right now. So if you would like to take a tour of this property, you can contact me by email, which is caroline.choi at sotheby'shomes.com. Or you can go to my website, which is caroline.choi.group.com, and there I have this home and many other homes for sale and for lease. And you can just, you know, it's like Zillow, but it's actually the real listings, because a lot of the times Zillow is an advertising company. So what they do is they put old listings on their website and then they pretend that it's new, so be careful with that. And I would love to take you on a home tour. We do need proof of funds. That's very important to take a look at these homes. The sellers require it. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can always go to my Instagram, which is Caroline.choi Live. You can ask me there, you can ask me by email, but I'm here for you guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for going on our tour. And Jason, he's doing amazing, right? We love Jason. We love Jason. And thank you so much. I love you and have a great day.